Hello, friends, and welcome to this news update from DCC Immigration. Continuing the trend of program specific draws on alternate weeks, Canadian immigration authorities conducted another Canadian Experience class draw. Let us take a look at the results of today's draw. Another draw, which is Express Entries draw number 194, has taken place on June 24th. In the latest draw, the Canadian government has issued 6,000 invitations to apply for permanent residence. The minimum score required to secure an invite in this draw is 357. It must be noted that this is a program-specific draw and candidates belonging to the Canadian Experience class only were invited in this draw. This is the second Canadian Experience class draw of June 2021. The previous Canadian Experience class Express Entry draw took place 2 weeks ago on June 10th, in which 6,000 invitations were issued and the cutoff score in that draw was 368. The cutoff score in this draw has dropped by 11 points as compared to the previous Canadian Experience class draw. As I predicted in my previous video, the cutoff score for candidates belonging to the Canadian Experience class has continued to come down and is now very close to breaching the 350 mark. This trend will likely continue at least for the next few weeks, and the cutoff score is expected to drop to the low 300s. The tiebreak in the latest draw has been set at February 17th, 2021, 10:15:50 UTC time, which means that all candidates belonging to the Canadian Experience class and with scores 358 and above, as well as those with score 357 who submitted their profiles to the Express Entry pool before the tiebreak date and time, will receive an invitation to apply in this draw. Now, let us take a quick look at the composition of the Express Entry pool of candidates as on June 21st, 2021. To read the full news and further details, please head to DCC Immigration's Facebook page. If you like this video, then please like it and share with other people who may benefit from information given here. For more information related to Canadian immigration and life in Canada, please subscribe to DCC Immigration's YouTube channel. So until next time, stay tuned.